Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing a topic that is both fascinating and controversial. Can technology replace humans? With the rise of automation and artificial intelligence, many industries are undergoing significant changes. But what about the creative industries, such as writing and video production? In this video, we will explore the potential of technology in replacing humans in video script writing. Technology has come a long way in recent years and is changing the way we work and live. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, machines are taking over many tasks that were previously done by humans. In video script writing, AI-powered tools and software can assist in generating ideas, conducting research, and optimizing the script for better engagement. However, despite these advancements, technology cannot entirely replace humans in video script writing. Video script writing requires creativity, imagination, and human touch, which machines cannot replicate. A machine can generate ideas based on algorithms and data, but it cannot understand human emotions, cultural nuances, or personal experiences. These factors are crucial in creating a compelling and engaging video script that resonates with the audience. Furthermore, video script writing is a collaborative process that involves multiple stakeholders, such as producers, directors, and actors. While technology can assist in generating ideas and optimizing the script, it cannot replicate the human interaction and feedback that is necessary for creating a successful video. In conclusion, technology can assist humans in video script writing, but it cannot replace them entirely. The creative industries are driven by human creativity, imagination, and empathy, which are the very things that make us human. While technology can automate many tasks, it cannot replicate the human touch that is essential in creating compelling and engaging videos. As we move forward, it is essential to strike a balance between technology and human creativity to create content that resonates with our audience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.